Here is how to find your 6-digit authentication code on Discord. First, you need to go ahead and go to discord.com, log into your account, and once logged in, tap on the gear icon, which is the user settings in the bottom of the screen in the left-hand side. Go ahead and tap on that. Then from the menu that appears, you need to go ahead and select My Account in the top and enable the Authenticator app option and link it to an app like Google Authenticator or Authy, which you will need to install on your phone or tablet or any device you're using. And once linked, each time you log in, you can open your Authenticator app and you will see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter this code into Discord to verify your login. And if you set up SMS backup codes, you can also receive the code via text message and you can use the backup recovery codes as well. This ensures that you can always log back in securely. So that's how you can get a 6-digit authentication code in Discord. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.